everyone. We are group 11 and we will report the group topic 8. 8.4. State that logbooks can be used as evidence in legal battles, court hearings. Under the maritime regulations, following acts by a ship staff are considered as an offense. If a person destroys or mutilates an engine room logbook or an entry in an engine room logbook, if a person renders eligible to make an entry in an engine room logbook, if a person makes a false or fraudulent entry on or an omission from an engine room logbook, if a person signs an entry in an engine room logbook knowing that entry will be false or fraudulent.
Lesson 8.5. Familiarize with the important points for logbook keeping on ship. If a person intentionally destroys or mutilates or renders illegible any entry in any statutory logbook on ship, will be liable for a fine or arrested for destruction of official records. How often have we come across such disclaimers on board while maintaining this official record? Be it the official logbook, all record book, or the engine deck logbook, all have to be maintained in manner that best represents the ship and the owner or manager. Normally, record keeping is a separate topic discussed in the company SMS system. Some require the vessel to maintain all official records for as long as up to 5 years. Yes, that creates a lot of clutter, so to speak. But that's done. However, since record keeping is of utmost significance and that each event occurring on board has to be best recorded for all official and legal intentions, we shall discuss what has to be bear in mind while jotting down the entries in a few important logbooks.
Lesson 8.6. State the maximum length of time for complete medical book that are retained on board. A ship shall be required to preserve the official logbook for a period of 3 years after the last entry was made if a wrong entry has been made. It should be corrected by single strike along with the signature of the watchkeeper who corrected the entry. Lesson 8.7. Discuss the importance of keeping a route log. Keeping a work log will help improve the ability of estimate, it will keep accurate route and refer back to it. The better you are estimating, the better your plans will be whenever you are planning a project, planning your day. Know when you are done, close a look and the end of the days that you see the progress you are making. Keep a fault log is incredibly important for user as it shows how the fault occurred, where it occurred, and what is it. You can access the details of the faults by clicking on the error icon next to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.